Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Here we will learn about augmented reality browsers. What? AR browsers? Are you serious? Yes, I am. Let's begin. So, the use of the term AR browser suggests these products are comparable to generic web browsers such as Internet Explorer. But while both are typically HTTP user agents and consume content from the web, the comparison ends there. Generic web browsers all adhere more or less strictly to a set of standards for markup, and therefore different browsers can consume and render the same web content in a consistent manner. In contrast, standards for augmented reality applications are still in their infancy, and there is no interoperability between AR browsers. Augmented Reality Markup Language (ARML) is a data standard to describe and interact with augmented reality scenes. I will request you all to pause the video and go through the content displayed on your screen. Next we have list of augmented reality platforms. I have shared the link of all the platforms in the resource section. Do visit the websites. You will learn a lot. These are the list of augmented reality providers. I have shared the link in the resource section. These are the top companies of AR. Thank you for listening and don't forget to go through the resource section. See you in the next class.